What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. When you put $100 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. If you put $1,000 in that new Moomoo brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. Limited time offer, so don't delay. Act today. Get down in that description box, click on that Moomoo link, open up your Moomoo account today. Go get the free stock. Go get that free money. I will also send you a couple of Moomoo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moomoo brokerage app. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Moomoo account. Let me know you funded it, and I'll send you out those Moomoo tutorial videos so you can start buying big boy blue chip paper assets to build your wealth. The stock market had a little bit of a rally today, guys. Specifically, the Dow and the S&P 500. Unfortunately for the NASDAQ, it didn't do so well. But let's jump into the headline, and then let's talk about what's going on with this stock market, this continuous bull market. Dow rises more than 200 points on Tuesday after wholesale inflation report comes in light. The 30-stock Dow gained 221.16 points, or 0.52%, to close at 42,518.28. The S&P 500 advanced 0.11% to 5,842.91, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite slipped 0.23% to end at 19,044.39. Big tech stocks slipped on Tuesday, weighing on the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Nvidia dropped 1.1%, and Meta Platforms fell 2.3%. Guys, that's an opportunity. I smell an opportunity. However, investors flocked to utilities, financials, and materials, with each sector up more than 1%. That's why you saw the Dow move up today. That's why you saw the S&P 500 move up today, because of that rotation into utilities, financials, and materials. The Producer Price Index, PPI, which measures wholesale inflation, increased just 0.2% in December, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics report. Economists polled by Dow Jones had estimated a 0.4% rise. That's good news, guys. So inflation, right, up only 0.2% in December. But the experts thought it would go up 0.4%. So that's good news. Core PPI, which excludes food and energy, was flat. Again, good news. Flat or not increasing is what we want, right? So I think the PPI inflation report was good news. Investors are now looking to Wednesday, to the Consumer Price Index, CPI index report, to gauge whether the Federal Reserve is succeeding at bringing inflation close to its 2% target, which would allow the central bank to ease interest rate policy. Economists are forecasting headline CPI to have risen 0.3% in December, according to Dow Jones. If the CPI comes in hotter than expected, it would certainly be bad news for equity markets. All they're telling you there, guys, is if CPI tomorrow comes in hotter than expected, it's going to be bad for the stock market. We'll probably get a little sell-off. right? That's all they're trying to prep you for and prepare you for. So let's read that one more time. If CPI comes in hotter than expected, it would certainly be bad news for equity markets because it would imply that the Fed will indeed remain slower to lower interest rates. That's exactly right, guys. So be prepared tomorrow. Have yourself somewhere at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time when these CPI numbers come out for December. If they come in lighter than expected, like the PPI numbers came in today, we should see a nice little bounce in the market. That doesn't mean the NASDAQ will bounce because obviously the NASDAQ 100 is tech stocks. But hopefully we'll see all three major indexes bounce if that CPI inflation report for December comes in lighter than expected. Let's keep our fingers crossed on that one. Fed funds futures trading suggests a near certainty that the Fed will hold steady on interest rates at the conclusion of its two-day meeting later this month. Market pricing also suggests a 77.9% likelihood rates will stay at their current target range of 4.25 to 4.50 in March, according to the CME Fed Watch tool. So not only is the market forecasting rates will stay neutral or stay the same in the January meeting, but they're also saying that there's a 77, almost 78% likelihood that rates will go unchanged in the March meeting. So we'll have to see, man. What I will tell you, though, if this CPI inflation report comes in good, lighter than expected for December, I think that gives us a good chance to get the market turned around and wash away this red that we see right now. That's my hope. On the earnings front, banking behemoths will kick off fourth quarter earnings season this week with JP Morgan Chase, Citibank, Goldman Sachs, and Wells Fargo posting results on Wednesday. Morgan Stanley and Bank of America are slated to report on Thursday. Let me just tell you something, guys. If you're looking for a little bit of a tip, JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs are reporting tomorrow, and then Morgan Stanley and Bank of America on Thursday. You can already see from earlier that banking, financial institutions got a little bit of a bounce today. So that's sort of a forecast for maybe they're going to report good fourth quarter earnings that will further, perhaps potentially bounce their stock price. So maybe something you want to take a little bit of a look at. I'm certainly going to look at these banks that are going to be coming out with their fourth quarter earnings report on Wednesday and Thursday, because if they do well, which I think they will, why? Because we're in a high interest rate environment. So they're probably going to kill it. So there may be some meat on that bone for us in the form of some appreciation in that stock price, because with high interest rates, there's no reason why they shouldn't come out with good results. Maybe something that you want to think about. If you want up to 15 free stocks from Moo, get yourself down in the description box, click on that Moo link, open up that Moo account today. Go get that free stock, guys. Go get that free money. www.richardfain.net is my website address. Got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will change your financial life. Guys, thousands of you guys have already taken a look at those digital products and made an investment in yourself and got your financial literacy up. For those of you guys that haven't, don't sleep on it. Check out those digital products on the website. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We have over 1,200 wealth builders in our financial community. Guys, all we do is help one another build wealth. None of us are experts. We don't try to tell you what to do. But when you got 1,200 people in a financial community going in the same direction, financial freedom, we got a lot of experience in there, a lot of different degrees of investment levels. So when you drop something in that community chat, a question, you got people on it giving you their experience. Ultimately, you got to make the decision, but at least you got some help, right? You got some information that you can dissect and come up with a good answer for yourself. If you want to get yourself out of the matrix, and join our financial community. All you got to do in the website is click on the membership button, click on the join button, and come on over to Patreon, sign up, and join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.